Start. And by the way, I can control it from here. You know that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just got to hit that little thing and it comes up with buttons. All right, ready? You're going to watch, all right?
Okay.
Let me turn this thing around, okay? All right, sweetie, here we go. Made it flight.
Camera's facing that way.
I know.
Okay.
No, the red propellers, Erin, means that it's going that way. You understand? Ready?
Okay.
Which way is the camera facing? Us?
That way. It's facing away from us.
All right. Look at this thing. Wow, this thing flies nice, Erin. Holy shit. This thing flies really nice.
Yeah.
What do you see? You see the land, Erin?
Yep.
Wow, pretty cool, huh?
It is.
Oh, this thing's nice. Look at how nice this thing flies, Erin. Do you see the land?
Yes.
Yeah? Holy shit, look at how stable this
It's
thing is.
on low power.
What happened?
It's on low power.
What do you mean low power?
It's saying it's on low power.
I don't know what the battery's dying.
One low power. That's evidently.
Okay, but I'm gonna land it then. Whoop, wrong way. Look at how nice that thing flew, huh, Erin? Wow!
Now the power's going up.
Wait, hold on, Erin. Let me see. Let me
See?
see. Yeah, no, this thing, yeah, okay, that's it. All right. Erin, that was a nice maiden flight, wasn't it? Sweetie, it was nice, right? Yeah. I love this fucking thing. I love it. I love it. This thing is great. Holy shit. Erin, I love this thing, Erin. Thank you so much, sweetie pie.
You're welcome.
Oh my God, I love this fucking thing. Erin, wait, you want to fly, sweetie? You want to try?
No, not right now.
No? Okay. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Wow. All right, let's go, Bubby. What, Daisy's up? Oh, wait. Erin, show me how to close a garage, Erin.